Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. So, when I see a lot of articles like this one right here from WTOP.com, so this one proposal to install Verizon cell tower at swim club divides Fairfax County neighborhood. I've seen several of these, right? And you guys have seen my videos on some of them where the towers end up getting denied. But when I see this, that lets me know Verizon is building a lot of cell towers. Where these articles are starting to make it into the main news feed, that tells me Verizon is building a ton of new cell sites across the nation for this to be a highlight in the main news feed, right? And I think there was another one where Verizon is building a site on tribal lands, and they're trying to push back against that too. So Verizon is building a lot of cell sites, right? That's the main point of this video. They're building a lot of cell sites, and I think that will continue into 26, 27, 28. They're just going to build towers, 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 right? Some of the tower site builds, even in my area, as they hyper densify, as some have called it, they're building cell sites literally in areas where there's a sector facing directly into the area where they're building the new cell site. So if I would say if T-Mobile is well known for marketing, right, that's their strong suit. One of Verizon's strong suits is clearly building and densifying a network. They know how to do that better than anyone, in my opinion. Just based on the fact during LTE they had the lowest amount of spectrum per customer, and they made it work. They made it work. It was a grind. It was definitely risky at times because it takes time to build out densification. So in some areas where Verizon knew it needed densification, the experience the customer was experiencing was poor while they were trying to get that stuff built out, right? So that's when churn and everything comes into play. But they made it work, and I definitely think they will make it work with the C-band spectrum, right? As they continue to densify and use the fallow capacity to continue to sell FWA and bring a better experience to its mobile customers. So just wanted to share that with you guys. I'll leave a link to this in the description so you guys can check it out. There's a lot of proposals out there of Verizon new sites coming up and installs, and there's a lot of pushback. But that lets me know that Verizon is pushing the envelope on new sites, and they're building a lot of them. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.